Hello,
Hello, ma'am.
what is your name?
My name is Michelle Masaho. I'm 35 years old. I'm married. I have 2 children, 9 years old and 3 years old. My height is 140 centimeter. My weight is 41 kilograms. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. I'm the number 1 of my own family. I'm high school graduate. I have experience in my own country, ma'am. I do household, cooking, washing the clothes, ironing, and I can take care of 2 kids, 7 years old and 5 years old, ma'am. And then after that, I apply another employer, ma'am. I do household, ma'am, washing the clothes, ironing. I'm take care of 1 children, 5 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so who will take care of your children if you work in Hong Kong?
My mother-in-law and my husband, ma'am.
Okay, can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I'm cooking Chinese food because I'm training in the in accommodation, ma'am. Training like food of chicken kabsa, pesto pasta, tomato sauce, and other minimum chicken curry.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.